Hey, what's up everybody? This is me Neeraj Kashyap and welcome to BloggerSprout. So in this tutorial, I will show you how you can create a custom post type in WordPress easily using two different methods. The first one is the really easy method and we will be using three plugins to do that. And the second is the code method. So if you know coding or if you have even a basic knowledge of coding how code works, so you can use the method 2, but for most of the users we are going to use the code as the method 1. So let's get started. And in my computer screen, so here as you can see, this is our YouTube channel, but let's get started with our tutorial. So this is how to create a custom post type easily, and as we mentioned, we will be using two methods. The first is the plugin method and the second method is the code. So in the first method, if you're watching this on YouTube, we have the given the description to the link. Sorry, I just keep on messing it. I have given the link in the description below. You can just go and have the and read the entire post and can download what are the plugins required. And if you don't want to, we have also got the links in the description of this YouTube video. So check it out, and if you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button, because by doing that you will receive all the notifications of the videos that we release on our channel. And most of the videos that we release on this channel is related to WordPress and blogging, making money, affiliate marketing, SEO, and there are lots of other courses, and you can check that in our guide, and all that is free. So let's get started with our tutorial. So as you can see, this is a brand new website and it has been created in our local development. So the first thing you need to do is go to the plugins and click on the add new button, and just go to the search plugins and type the custom post type, and don't forget to mention the UI by the end of this of the search. So you will get this first option, which is the plugin custom post type UI, which has been created by Web Dev Studios. Click on install now. As you can see, I have already installed now, and I will just click on the activate now button. So that's it, we have successfully activated the custom post type. So we will be creating a custom post type for the movies. So let's get started. So you need to come to your admin sidebar menu, and just on below this settings you will find there is a new menu known as the CPT UI. Just click on it and click the first option, that is add/edit post types. And once you have visit there, you need to fill the post type slug. The post type slug is the the word that comes in the URL, so don't mess in that. And yeah, the things to mention that don't include any spaces or hyphens or anything. Keep it really simple, guys. It's really good for like in the future. And there is the plural label and singular label. Just fill that in just like I'm filling in this tutorial. And just if you scroll down below, you will see there is additional labels, so you can fill it one by one manually, but I will choose the automated type. Like I will fill it just with a click of a button. And to do that, you just need to click on this link which says auto populate labels. So I'll click on here, and you can see everything has been filled except the description. So in the description I will write custom movies list for custom movies list, and that's the additional levels, and all the additional levels has been filled up. Now scroll down below and you will see the settings here. So you don't need to change any settings here, except there is one thing that you need to know. This is the hierarchical. The hierarchical means it's just consider it as a folder, and if you want to put one of the post of your in the custom post types into a folder. So what I mean is that I will show you here. If you go on and click on the pages and add new page, you can see there is a page attribute right here on my right hand side which says parent page, and if I click on, I can choose which page I want to. This will act as a folder. So every time I will select a parent page here, this post will be set under it, but this option is not available for the normal posts. So I will show you here, there is no options for the normal post. So this so that folder, if you want to enable that folder like ability to if you want to tag one post under another post like in the slashes, I will show you later in this tutorial. So you can choose the hierarchical, but basically hierarchical is almost turned off. Okay, so I hope it will be on my website. I will show you. Just wait on guys for a minute. I hope I will find it on my website, or I will create a new one for that. Okay, I will show you by this end of by the end of this video what does the hierarchical mean. So in this tutorial we will choose in the hierarchical as false, and I will scroll down below. So here is the menu position. The menu position means where do you want this custom movies post to appear in the sidebar. 5 is the toppest and 100 is the lowest. So 5 if I type it here 5, this will appear just below this post option. So that's done. And here is the thing that you need to care is this in the support. So what are the custom functions that you want your custom post types to support? So like the title, editor, featured images are pretty, because that are the basic things you are required for your custom post type. So what else you need you require, you can choose here. So I need the excerpt, I don't need the trackback, I need the custom post, comments, revision, author, page attributes, I don't need the formats, and none. And that's it. And in the taxonomies, whether you want your custom post type to support categories and taxonomies like the tags, yes I want, and I will just click on add post type. So that's it guys. You can see here my movies has been created on the left hand side. So before going to and clicking on that, you just need to go to the settings and permalink and click on the post name. If you are using any other like the day or any, just choose your default one, don't change here. But all you need to do is click the save button twice. Basically once it's enough, but twice I make it sure that it's saved properly. And after that you need to go to your custom post type, that is my movies. And yeah, you can see here the my movies has been created, and this Axeman actually I created it before the tutorial to check whether my theme supports it or well or not. So as you can see, I have created an Axeman. I will create a new post in the movies category in live right now in front of you, and I will write, let's see what, Fast and Furious, Fast and okay, not dollar and Furious. So that's it, Fast and Furious. I will just go and just click copy and paste from my website, that is BloggerSprout. Okay, and click on publish. Okay, that's it, done. Now the next thing is to have the functionality to see this from the front end. So we need a menu here. So let's go to the appearance, click on menus, and I will just click on the okay, where is that, formats, everything is good, and I will click on the custom links / movies and I will click on the add button, and I will click on the primary menu and save changes. Let's see on the front end. Yes, that's done. Let's click on the movies. So you can see the movies, the page doesn't seems to exit, and yes, it is supposed to be, because every WordPress theme has needs to support the custom post type by using its 2 default architecture. So what I am talking about is, like, if you go to my blog tutorial, and in this video I will show you here. Okay, where is that? Let me scroll down below. Yes, here, like the displaying custom post type on your site. So there are 2 methods. The first is using the default archive template, and the second is creating a custom archive and single template. So the default archive template and custom template has its role. So if your theme supports the custom post type built in, so it will work. If not, you need to create a custom archive and single template. So I will show you. So if your theme doesn't support the default archive template, so we will create a custom archive template and the single template But to create it, there are two methods. The first is the simple method using a plugin, and I hope you will like that. And the second is by code. So if you want more control over it, if you want the total features, the total customization, you can just use the code method. But like using the plugin, you can also do the same. That's, you heard that, it's rain. Okay, so let us continue. So let's go and install the plugins, which I have mentioned is the Elementor Pro. So here I have already Elementor 2 versions, and I think there is an update, but I'm not going to update it right now. Okay, I'll just click and activate it. So that's done. So Elementor has been installed. So the first thing we need to do is go to the Elementor settings and make sure that the Elementor support our movies custom post type. If it is unchecked, check it and just click on save changes. Okay, let's see another if there is anything else. No. Okay, so once that is done, you need to go to the templates and click on the theme builder. In the theme builder, you need to go to the archive and click on add new archive. Choose on the archive and name it movies archive template. Okay, and after that, click on create new. So here the Elementor library allows you to import the archive templates. Basically from any design you want, you can archive it here. So let me archive this. Okay, so the blog, so I will just type it here, movies, and I will go here. As you can see here, this is the post that has been pre-filled. Just click on right click and click on the edit post button, and after that you on the left hand side, click and go to the edit post and scroll it below, and you will find the query. Click on the query and select movies, and you can see here we have got our movies Fast and Furious and X-Men. You can change everything, the layout and every other design here, but I'm not going to do that in this tutorial, because our main objective is not to customize. Our objective is how to create a custom post type. And after that you are done, just click on the publish button. So here you will get where you want to display this template. So I will click on the add condition. From the archives, you need to choose the post archive or any the archives that you want to have. So basically there should be a movie archive, author archive, but it's not showing here for some reason. So definitely there is something wrong which we did. And so first, okay, let me go and click on save and close. And before doing anything, that let us go to CPT UI. So there definitely we are missing some support for our custom post type. So let's find it out. Public true, query true, so UI true, nep true, delete false, rest API true, has archive. Yes, as you can see here, this is the this is where we have missed. I think so. Has archive, it should be true. And let's save changes and reload this page. Okay, and now go to click on this little arrow icon here and click on display condition, add condition, and here you can see the movies archive is visible right now. So if for any reason it's not visible, just go back to the CPT UI and choose the option has archive. Now click on the movies archive and save changes. So that's done. Now let's check on the front end. Remember, this page says it doesn't exist. I will show you the URL here. I will just bring this on window here, and you can see here movies, and it says no page. Let me refresh it now, and boom, the movies that we have created right now here is the Fast and Furious and X-Men. Let me click on the Fast and Furious, and here it's working. So if you want, you can also change this single template just the same way I showed you in this tutorial by creating an archive. Okay, let me show you how you can create a single page for your movies template. Let's exit to the dashboard and go to the theme builder again. Click on the single page, click on the add new single. From the single, choose single. From the post, you need to choose the movie, and here I will write movie single template. and click on create template. So if you want, you can just bring some pages here. I will search like here single. Let me type me. Okay, single. Oh, there's none. I think so. Block. Okay, single as NGL single. Yeah, there is the single post. Okay, so you can see here there are several single posts here. So let me import some of the simplest ones. So here is a simple one. I will click on insert, and yeah, so here it is, Fast and Furious, the name of the writer, everything, the content, the pictures. Click on save button and it will ask where you want to show. This is the movies, yes, and for all the post type of movies, click on save and close. Now as I showed you earlier in this that we are using the default template. This is the default template, guys, for the single, but let me refresh you and we will be using our brand new created template. We're using Elementor, and here it is. Boom, that's it, guys. So that's it, how you can create a custom post type using three plugins, that is the custom post type UI, Elementor and Elementor Pro, and you can just create any unlimited type of post types. You can just design it the way you want. If you want to buy the Elementor Pro, the links are in the description of this YouTube video and also on my blog post. And one thing, by the end of this video, I would like to say you that if you need any kind of theme support or like the support from for WordPress, like if you have any bugs, malware problem, your WordPress is hacked, you have CSS problem, any problems, you can hire WordPress expert at a very reasonable price from gloriousthemes.com/services. The links are also given in the description of my blog and this YouTube video. And that's it, guys. I hope you have liked this tutorial, and this tutorial has helped you create your custom post type without any issue. So if you like this video, don't forget to show your support by subscribing to this YouTube channel and hitting the bell button so that you are notified every time we release a new video, new tutorial, new guide, anything. And that's it, guys. Don't forget to share and show your love. Hit the like button, and I will see you guys on my next video. Till then, enjoy.